Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and in this video I have a unique design of bed. This is a bed and it has a story how we have designed this unit and what all we do, what Aarsun is doing. I'll talk about that in this video. First, let me give you the sizes. The height is 6 feet. The mattress area is 3 feet by 6 feet, the internal area, and this has got storage. Is a poster bed. Poster is the pillar. So when we have four pillars, it's known as a four poster bed. And the canopy design you see on the top is also known as canopy bed. And very easy to close. Let me close this. And also these beds are known as mosquito net beds, curtain beds. All these names are for these kind of beds. It's a very classical thing in palaces, in movies where you have the palace structure, the palace set. Mostly you will find these kind of beds, the entire canopy thing, and in big hotels, suite rooms, you will find these kind of beds. This design in particular is an AI generated design. AI generated means it's done by computer software. You go to any artificial intelligence website, can be Grok, Gemini. There are so many websites on the internet. You go there, you write a prompt. I need a bed with four poster and deep carving, light carving, this color, and it will produce a beautiful picture and give it to you. And this is done from the same picture. The client picked up a picture from AI. He asked us to make that unit in this size. So it was a bigger design and converted to a smaller size. The size is given by the client and we have done it. This is what Aarsun is doing, making the furniture of your choice. And that's why we call our furniture choice wala furniture. Size, design, color, storage, without storage, side tables. We have two side tables here, also known as nightstands. Everything is as per client's choice and is getting delivered to Bangalore, and we are delivering to 55 countries across the globe. Made in solid teak wood. These are of solid teak wood, these pillars, the top, all the sides and everything, solid teak wood. Just the middle part is plywood. And we have a hydraulic for easy opening and easy closing. Any size you want. You want this one in queen size, you want this one in king size, super king size, California king size, eastern king size, deluxe size, super deluxe size, all the sizes as per different countries we are making here and delivering across the globe. Another point here is, if you're an architect or an interior designer or a decorator, most of the times the issue that you face is you provide a client with a very unique idea, very different idea, but you don't get people or vendors who can make that idea to reality. And if you go to YouTube and check our channel or our website or go to our testimonial section alone, you will find thousands of pictures there from across the globe. So many colors, so many designs, so many products, different designs, and everything customized as per client's requirement. So you can freely design what you like. You can pitch any good idea, any creative idea to your clients, and be assured we'll make it as per your creativity and deliver at factory price. Factory price means the best prices available at lowest cost with delivery to your home. The number is right here. You can contact us. Let us know your requirement. We'll be happy to discuss it and make something that you like. Thank you. Dhanyavad.